Good rising, sacred souls. I am very grateful for your presence in this moment. Today I'm going to talk about a special herb from the rainforests of Central and South America, which has remarkable healing properties, including its potential to combat cancer, detoxify the body, and address a wide range of health issues. The herb pá de arco has so far remained relatively obscure in terms of its popularity. Of course, the pharmaceutical industry is still trying desperately to push this tree bark from the rainforests into the realms of Brazilian legends, because it has a direct effect on cancer cells and rapidly breaks them down. People with cancer have already experienced improvement after only a few days. Women who have excessive fears of breast cancer, for instance, are very well advised to consider pá de arco because its active ingredients are highly specialized in targeting all forms of breast cancer and can destroy tumors at any stage. Furthermore, pá de arco is excellent for combating all types of toxins, bacteria, bacilli, parasites, and fungal infections. Additionally, it purifies the blood, remarkably aids in colon cleansing, cleanses the lungs and respiratory passages, assists with various kinds of inflammation, is effective against arthritis and prostate issues, aids in weight loss, and significantly accelerates the burning of fat cells. It is also highly effective for liver problems, asthma, bronchitis, arthritis, diabetes, syphilis, gonorrhea, worm infestations, flu, and common colds. Additionally, it contains numerous antioxidants that eagerly neutralizes free radicals, which often cause harm to the body. The evergreen tree pá de arco, with its pink flowers, comes from South America. Initially, the hardwood was used for crafting purposes, such as making bows and arrows. However, later on, the bark became known for its remarkable healing abilities. There are over 100 different tree species in this genus, but only a few possess these healing properties. It is said that it's also one of the best remedies for cancer. In scientific studies conducted at the Facility of Health and Medical Sciences, it was found that the active compounds nathoquinone and lapacol are resistant to all kinds of harmful organisms in both men and women. Not only is the risk of cancer significantly reduced, but active tumors and various types of cancer are also successfully eliminated. Pá de arco is also highly effective in treating autoimmune diseases and alleviating various types of pain. In particular, tea or powder forms are recommended for consumption. Pá de arco also offers little chance for this well-known fungal infection, Candida, addressing this ailment from the throat down to the intestines and intimate areas. It can provide excellent assistance in dealing with concentration problems, hyperactivity, migraines, or other types of headaches. It even supports recovery in cases of sugar addiction and gastrointestinal issues. Notably, pá de arco can be beneficial in conditions such as Crohn's disease, and surprisingly, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and diabetes. It also actively aids in reducing high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. In its usage, Pá de arco should be dosed at 1.5 grams daily when dealing with severe illnesses. During the period of consumption, it's advisable to refrain from using aspirin and other blood thinners. Pá de arco tea has been well known in other countries for quite some time, such as Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, and the Bahamas. Even the ancient Incas referred to the Pá de arco tree as the heavenly tree or the tree of life, which is why this tea is also known as the Inca tea. The taste of this tea is intriguing, as it is robust but also slightly sweet. The color of this tea varies from reddish to light brown. Pá de arco trees are evergreen trees, native to the rainforests of Central and South America. During the blooming season, these trees bear magnificent yellow, pink, or purple trumpet-shaped flowers. It is claimed that the Pá de arco tree attracts alpha rays, which exert a positive electric charge on human cells. The bark of this tree contains oxygen crystalline. In Spanish, Pá de arco is called Lápago morado, while Native Americans refer to it as tajebo, or purple bow stick. In Peru, Pá de arco is called palo de arco, which roughly translates to having power and strength. But this tea should not be consumed by pregnant women, nursing mothers, or children. Thank you for taking your precious time and expensive energy to listen to what I have to say. And may you always be a magnet for miracles and deep healing. With raining stars in bloom and drowning roses of dreams, just me.